welcome back to my channel. As promised to you, I am back with another vlog of student dormitory of TH Rosenheim. I hope you have watched my previous vlog in which I gave you the tour of the whole university, Rosenheim University of Applied Sciences. If not, please do check it out, the link is right here. Okay, so today I'm gonna give you a tour of the student dormitory of TH Rosenheim. Before I start, university is right there, and approximately 3-4 minutes of walk you reach here. Here starts the student dormitory. This is Wohnheim 2. On the way there's Wohnheim 1, which is Marienburger Straße. Here it's all Westendorfer Straße, and I live here, so I'm going to give you the tour of my room and the area which is surrounding it. Come, I'll show you. Here we have buildings A to M. Our dormitory is full of greenery, as you can see. As mentioned before, people here love cycling and their main mode of transport is bicycles. So here is one of the garage or the parking area of cycles, and you're gonna see cycles all around. And this is our famous box here. People usually, like, the stuff that they don't use anymore, put their stuff down here, and any other person who wants to use that stuff just pick it up for free. So just a tip for any new students who are about to come, keep an eye here because people do drop useful stuff. Okay, next we have here the washing area, and here is the big dustbin. So whatever the residual you have in your room, you just put all that stuff here every day. And I'm going to show you the washing area. Come. Here we have exactly 6 washing machines and 3 dryers over here. And we also have a vending machine here for any kind of cold drinks. So I'm going to tell you briefly how to use a washing machine. So this is the machine. When you enter, you have to put 50 cents here. You can put €1, €2, the rest over money, the balance amount comes down from here. So basically they charge us 50 cents for washing and 30 cents for drying. So you put 50 cents here, and then you press whatever machine you want to use, press it, come over to your machine. Supposedly I'm using machine number 4. What I have to do is put my clothes over here, put washing powder or liquid over here, and our softener if you use that here. Close it. Probably you're gonna wash it in Bunt wash 40. That's the normal wash that most of the people do, and you can just translate and wash according to the type of cloth you're washing. Set it, and you just put the start, and boom, it is automatically gonna stop after your 59 minutes. The next step you do is take your clothes out here, shift them to any of these dryers, and maybe dry them in warm wall again. So yeah, that's it. A pro tip that I'm gonna give you after living here for 1.5 years is that the dryers sometimes keep on getting malfunction, and because of the paucity of the dryers, there's always a fight over people in the Wohnheim that who's gonna use it next. So my pro tip is buy a drying rack. If you have any common area in your room, or if you have any area in your room, buy a drying rack and just dry your clothes over there. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, right in front of the washing area, here lives our Hausmeister. Hausmeister is basically the caretaker of the university dorms. So if any problem arises, although we have dormitory tutors also to go to, but he's the main person concerned for any kind of thing, like supposedly your bulb is not working anymore or something of that sort. So here's the Hausmeister. He has a board also outside in which his timings etc. are mentioned, and there's an online site for a student in Wohnheim in which you can complain, and he would come to your room the very next day. And right behind the Hausmeister's house, here we have our own cafe of the dormitory, Cafe Silos. I wish I could show you from inside, but it's closed right now. But they do open maybe in the evenings for us to play some table tennis or for foosballs. But right now it's closed. Here we do parties, and yeah, it's a great area to study together and for get-togethers. This is my building. As soon as you enter the building, here we have our letter boxes. So this is my letter box. I don't have any letters. We also get a key for the letter box, and you have to check it every day because it's very common for you to get not emails but physical mails, the letters here in Germany. So do keep an eye for all the information regarding what, like city registration, radio tax, and whatever kind of communication. Do check your letterboxes every morning. Okay, let's go to my room now. Okay, so we have different kind of rooms in our student Monheim, single room apartment and shared apartment. I live in a shared apartment with another girl. So basically, I have a small apartment in which there are 2 rooms. We have in common our kitchen. Have a look here. I share it with my roommate, like one cupboard is mine, the whole of it. The other one is hers. Like this cupboard also is divided between us. The top 2 shelves are hers. The lower 2 are mine. And this is our common area. And we also share the washrooms here. I'm going to show you the washrooms now. This is the bathroom. And I use the pro tip. I bought a dry rack for myself. And here is the toilet. And toilet says goodbye. So let's just close the door and go outside. The show time. My room, which I cleaned just for you guys. Please don't say it's too pink, okay? Okay, what we get from the dormitory itself is one of the shelves and cupboard, a table and a chair with it. These both I got it myself from Klein & Zeigen. Klein & Zeigen is this. You also can refer to this site for buying things in Verschenken, basically, which is for free. And you can also buy things at a cheap rate, the second-hand items. So I got this small bedside table also, this mirror also, and all these stuff from eBay, Klein & Zeigen. And there's also a teddy from where you can get the small cute organizers. And also the bed is given by the dormitory, under which you also have some storage space. And this again, I got a fan for myself, a side table again from Klein & Zeigen, and a small mirror. And this also you get from the university cupboard, which is like big enough to store your clothes and your luggages, which I put above. And this table I got from Klein & Zeigen yet again, just to store the extra clothes that I have in abundance. And this is it. And for decorating your room with accessories and stuffs like these carpets, this pink carpet I got from Temu. You can also like order stuff from Temu. You get very cheap and nice stuff from there. You also have a high zone heater here given by the dormitory, because it's like most of the time here in Germany it's super cold. So yeah, our rent, yeah, the main thing, rent. So my rent is approximately 320 euros, which includes everything, the water, electricity and everything. But as far as I remember, they do charge you from your deposit some of the amount in the end by calculating for the whole building the amount for the electricity or heating that you used. So it's not deducted yet for me, so I cannot tell exactly how much, but yeah, 320 is the amount which I give per month. Okay, that was one type of the room in which we have the shared kitchen and bathroom. I especially came on the top floor to show you another kind of room in which there's just your toilet and the bathroom attached, but you have common kitchen which you share among 4 to 5 people. So come, I'm going to show you the common kitchen. You know what, I like it better because the shared kitchen is like very small and dark, but this is like full of light and a lot of spaces here for your washing, for your cooking, for your cutting, and for sitting and eating here. So this is a very pretty, well-lit area for cooking. And everybody here is assigned their own cupboard for storing their stuff. And they also have this common fridge. It's my friend, so that's why I opened it. Otherwise, I don't open people's fridge. Don't mind now. The French room also, just for reference, because this is a single room in which you have attached washroom. So as soon as you enter the room, you get a cupboard on the right side and a washroom on the left side. Can I show it? So this is the attached toilet and bathroom. You have a cupboard on the right side here. And as you proceed, you can like set your furniture according to you. But again, you get the same table, the same bed, from the dormitory. Her room is on the top floor, so the top wall is kind of like inclined. So yeah, this is it. Guys, this is another example of a room, and this my friend was vacating, so I thought to give you a tour. That's how you'll get it. And हाँ उसके बाद अपना कुछ भी ऐड वैड करो, but when you give it back you have to give it like that, अच्छे से clean करके. Okay, yeah. So guys, here was the 192 which I gave you the tour of. Here is the parking of our university. And right attached to the parking, here is the Marienburger, that is 191, which I was talking about. So come, I'll show it to you from outside. Here is the Marienburger Strasse dorms. And this is comparatively newer building, so it's like more modern. And the university is right over there. So it's just kind of attached to the university. So these people are kind of at the luck because they just wake up in the morning and just walk 2 steps and read the university. So this is it. I'm not gonna knock everybody's door and show you the rooms here, but the rooms inside have the kitchen and the bathroom and very modular rooms. The rent of these kind of rooms here is approximately 350 something, but these are on a little bit expensive side as compared to the Westendorfer Strasse. This I'm talking about the single room apartments. But again, here in the other building we have the share rooms also, like 4 and 5 people share, and they have the common kitchen. Just like there, they have a very little rent of like around 250 euros. So it depends from building to building, the kind of room you're having, and there are various types of room available over here. So I guess this is it for the university dorms tour. If you have any other questions related to the student dormitory or anything related to Germany, please drop them in the comments here, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. The link is down there in the description. And yes, this is it. I'll see you in the next video, which is probably going to be out next week, and it is a Q&A. Basically, I'll be answering to all your questions which I have gathered from the previous 1.5 years. So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.